Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Indian Navy's Androth. This topic relates to the security section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The Indian Navy has received its second anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft named Androth. It was built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, Kolkata, and delivered on 13 September 2025. It is the second of the 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft. Now let's discuss about Androth. The name Androth is derived from Androth Island in Lakshadweep, giving it strategic and symbolic importance. These ships, at approximately 77-meter length, are the largest Indian naval warships propelled by a diesel engine water jet combination. The ship is equipped with lightweight torpedoes and indigenous anti-submarine warfare rockets. More than 80% of the ship's components are indigenously made. Now let's discuss its significance. The induction of Androth strengthens anti-submarine and coastal surveillance capabilities of the Navy. It enhances India's maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. The ship supports the government's vision of Aatmanirbhar Bharat in defense manufacturing. It marks reduced dependence on imports and highlights India's domestic shipbuilding capacity. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements about the recently inducted Indian naval warship Androth. 1. It is the largest Indian naval warship powered by a diesel engine water jet combination. 2. More than 80% of its components are indigenously made. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.